one of these directions is going to be good. You can see the shells on the trees. This is perfect habitat. I see you. Ah, a female. Excellent. So this brood 10, this is the one that's local here in Washington, D.C., and it has 3 species included in it. They are all chronologically sequenced to the same emergence year, 2021. And so we won't have periodical cicadas here in this exact same spot again for another 17 years, so in 2038. Look at this bounty that we've collected today.